this video, I'm gonna show you how you can join your friends in Misery. Basically, what you want to do, press multiplayer. You're gonna tell them to host a server, all right? You're gonna tell them to do this and put the server name, all right? And you're gonna tell them to do all of this, all right? And put a code in if you only want like your friends to be in there, okay? And then once you do that, once your friends made the server, you're gonna press find server. And if they have a code, put in the code right here. But if they don't, you put in the code and press refresh. But if they don't have a code, you could just, yeah, my bad. But if they don't have a code, you could just pick their server from here. Let's say the server they made is named this. Just click on it, and you're gonna connect. All right, as you see, I've connected and these people are here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.